Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jonathan here. Chase Bank offers premium account options for its members. These options have some major benefits to it that I think people should be aware of. Being a member of this bank for the past 20 years, I wanted to do some research on these premium banking options to learn more about what I'm missing out on. So in this video, I'll discuss some of the benefits of these different banking options and who would benefit the most from using them, and my plan on using these accounts as well. So I hope this video brings you some value and perspective, and so let's get right into the video. So Chase offers two different types of premium banking accounts to its members. The first one of these accounts is called Sapphire Banking. And some of the benefits that come with Sapphire Banking is that there's no ATM fees worldwide. So you can basically use any ATM and Chase Bank will refund you the ATM fee that you have to pay at those. You have higher ATM withdrawals and purchase limits on your debit card with the Sapphire Banking. You get a special Sapphire Banking card that I'll put up on the screen. It almost looks like the Sapphire Preferred card, but it's a debit card. It looks really cool. There's no wire transfer fees for incoming or outgoing wires. There's no stop payment fees. There's no foreign exchange adjustments for ATM withdrawals or debit card purchases. There's no fees on the first four overdrafts within each year. Also, this account also offers you increased rates on linked savings accounts. These increased rates aren't really that increased. I mean, it's from instead of it being 0.01% APR, it's really more, I think on the high end you could get like 0.05% APR. So it really doesn't make that big of a difference, but it is an increased rate. So to be fair, it is. You have special access to certain events, and you get early ticket sales and special seat-ins for being a Sapphire Banking member. And also, this account comes with a 24/7 dedicated banking service line where you could have all your banking needs fulfilled just by calling this one simple number. So to qualify for Sapphire Banking, there's two ways that you could do it. You could either pay a monthly fee or you could keep a certain balance in your account. You would have to keep $75,000 or more in combined Chase deposit accounts. So that includes check-ins accounts, savings accounts, and investment accounts with Chase. You can also use your business accounts if you have a Chase business account, which in my opinion is probably one of the best business accounts out there. If you have your business accounts, you can also use the balances in those accounts as well to qualify for Sapphire Banking. Or you could pay a $25 a month service fee. And I think the people who would benefit the most from this is anyone who has $75,000 worth of deposits that they are willing to leave at Chase Bank. If that's the case, there's really no disadvantage for you signing up for Sapphire Banking, so you might as well, since you get a cool debit card. Or also other people who could find benefit from this account is anyone who does who either receives or sends out more than one wire every month. So Chase charges $15 for any incoming wire, and they charge $25 for any outgoing wire. So in either case, if you do two or more of these, it may just make sense to pay the $25 monthly fee instead of paying $30 or $50 for those two wires, for those multiple wires that are being conducted. So if you travel a lot internationally and you use a debit card, which me personally, I highly don't recommend this. I think it's way better that you use a credit card in almost every case, just due to the fraud protection benefits of credit cards. But if you do like to use your debit card internationally, this may also be another good option, as you could save you from some of the different fees that come with using your debit card internationally, kind of like foreign exchange rates or transaction fees and things of that nature. So if you're a person who uses banking services a lot and that 24/7 dedicated banker line is very valuable to you, I think this account can be of value to you, can be of high value to you. So the next premium account service that Chase offers is a Jpmorgan or Chase private client account. And some of the benefits with this also overlap with the Sapphire Banking, like no ATM fees, no wire fees, higher ATM withdrawal limits and purchase limits, 24/7 private client banking service line, early access to purchase certain tickets for certain events. No foreign exchange fees on ATM withdrawals or international transactions. But there also are some other benefits to this card as well that are unique to private client accounts. So on the banking side, there's no monthly service fee. So we'll discuss the qualifications later, but you can't pay a fee to actually have this program. There's other requirements, but we'll talk about that later. You get a higher quick deposit limit. So instead of you being able to deposit up to $2,000 a day or $5,000 a month, you now be able to deposit up to $25,000 a day or $100,000 a month with Chase Quick Deposit, which is pretty much just cashing a check using your phone. You also get higher Chase Quick Pay with Zelle limits. So typically for the average Chase account holder, you can't send more than $2,000 a day or more than $16,000 a month. But as a private client member, you can send up to $5,000 a day and up to $40,000 a month using Quick Pay with Zelle. With the Chase private client account, you also get higher daily purchase limits with your debit card. Again, something that I don't see too much value in because I am a big believer in using credit cards for purchases versus debit cards. But if you are someone who likes to use debit cards for purchases, that is a big leg up with this account. Also with this account as well, you can also get a free by 5 deposit box, and you can get up to 20% off larger box sizes as well. So that could be a really good feature to take advantage of. And then also with this account, you don't pay any fees for cashier's check, counter checks, or money orders. So again, another awesome feature. You get free personalized checks with your account. You get a dedicated banker that knows your specific needs and your banking situation. So you don't have to continuously keep repeating yourself. They kind of already know what's going on, and it can be very efficient and helpful. You also get free rush delivery of a replacement debit or credit card and anywhere in the world. You get reduced or free business banking accounts with Chase as well. So that can be very helpful if you're a business owner and you have multiple different accounts with Chase. So on the lending side of things, some of the benefits that come with being a Chase private client, you get discounted rates for mortgages, home equity line of credits, and auto loans. And when it comes to HELOCs with the Chase private client, you pay no origination fee for the HELOCs, and you have a $50 annual fee waiver for your HELOC as well. And then also you get a dedicated home lending advisor that can help you with your mortgages, or if you have multiple mortgages, it can help you manage that. And then also a special perk with the Chase private client is that you can get up to 10% off any purchase of select models of brand new Jaguars or Land Rovers. And then also another perk you get is that you could get access to a portfolio line of credit, which is pretty much where you could borrow against the investment side of your money that you have at Chase for a very competitive rate with no annual fees or origination fees on that portfolio line of credit. So to qualify for this account, you need to have $250,000 with Chase in some kind of deposit, whether it's a checking account, savings account, investment account, CD, just some kind of deposit account. You can use your business accounts to qualify for this amount as well. And with this account, there's no monthly service fee you could pay to keep this account active. So if your balance was to drop below $250,000, you'd have to either go down to Sapphire Banking or choose a different banking option with Chase. So I think the people who benefit from this account the most is anyone who has $250,000 or more that they're willing to deposit at Chase. There's really no fee. There's no downside to signing up for this account. I mean, as long as you have the balance, that's pretty much it. There's no surprise fees or anything like that. Like I said, it's just a matter of you keeping $250,000 in your Chase account. This might be really good for someone who invests into 1 to 4 real estate and who would who would be able to take advantage of these lower interest rates for mortgages and the use of a HELOC and things of that nature. So in my opinion, I think both these accounts are really awesome. And I think honestly, if you have the minimum amount to deposit in Chase, these accounts can be really good to use. There's literally no downside to them. There's no fees or anything like that as long as you keep the minimum balance there. So it's like, why not? You might as well have it. So for me personally, as soon as I qualify for either one of these accounts, I do plan on signing up for them. I think at that time, I'll probably know more about these accounts. So definitely stay tuned. If I do ever sign up for one of these accounts, I'll definitely tell you guys about it and tell you guys about the benefits and features and tell you if it's actually really worth it or if it's just all hype. But I think these accounts, from what I've read so far, I think these accounts are awesome and that almost anyone can benefit from having them. So I'd like to thank you for watching. So if this video brought you any value or perspective, I'd like to ask you to hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. It greatly helps out the channel. Also, if you like the way I explain things, also hit the subscribe bell and notification button so you get notified anytime I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section down below. I respond to every comment. So if you have any questions about these Chase premium accounts, I'll be more than happy to answer them. Also, while you're down there, check out the link for Webull where you get free stocks after you sign up for an account and deposit $100. Also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. I try to post there every day. And thank you for watching. Until next time.